Hello, friends. I am here with 20 multiple choice questions based on linguistics and language pedagogy for CTET, paper 1 and 2. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So, question number 1 is linguistic is the scientific study of A. Grammar rules, B. Language, C. Literature, D. Translation. Answer is B, that is language. Linguistics systematically studies language, including its structure, sound, and meaning. Question number 2. The smallest meaningful unit of language is A. Phoneme, B. Morpheme, C. Words, D. Sentence. Answer is B. That is morpheme. A morpheme is the smallest unit that carries meaning. For example, in unhappy, UNI. Question number 3. The smallest sound unit of a language that can change the meaning is A. Syllable, B. Phoneme, C. Grapheme, D. Word. Answer is B. That is phoneme. A phoneme changes the meaning. For example, B80 bat and P80 pad is differ by one phoneme, that is B and P. Question number 4. Syntax deals with A. Sentence structure, B. Word meaning, C. Sound system, D. Writing system. Answer is A. That is sentence structure. Syntax refers to the arrangement of words to form correct sentences. Question number 5. Semantics is the study of A. Sentence structure, B. Word formation, C. Meaning in language, D. Pronunciation. Answer is C. That is meaning in language. Semantics deals with meaning, both word level and sentence level. At both level, it deals with meaning. Question number 6. Pragmatics is concerned with A. Literal meanings, B. Social and contextual meanings, C. Grammar rules, D. Phonetics. Answer is B. That is social and contextual meaning. Pragmatics studies how context influences meaning. For example, can you pass the salt means a request, not a question of ability. So it depends on the situation. Question number 7. The study of speech, sounds, and their production is A. Phonology, B. Morphology, C. Phonetics, D. Syntax. Answer is C. Phonetics. Phonetics is about how sounds are produced, transmitted, and heard. Question number 8. Phonology. Phonology differs from phonetics because phonology A. studies abstract sound patterns, B. focuses on speech organs, C. deals with noise, D. ignores pronunciation. Answer is A. That is, phonology studies abstract sound patterns. It studies how sounds function within a language system. Question number 9. Morphology studies A. formation of words, B. arrangement of sentences, C. sound variations, D. vocabulary uses. Answer is A. That is formation of words. Morphology examines how words are built using roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Question number 10. Which of the following is an example of inflectional morpheme? Ness, Ness, in happiness. Bed, in played, CRE, in rewrite, UN, in unfair. Answer is B, that is ED, in played. ED shows tense, grammatical change, not new word formation, hence inflectional. So answer is B. Question number 11. The theory of language acquisition device, LAD, was proposed by A. B.F. Skinner, C. J.N. Piaget, D. C. Noam Chomsky, D. Lev Vygotsky. Answer is C. Noam Chomsky. Chomsky proposed LED is an innate ability in humans to acquire language, so which is already with the human being with birth. Question number 12. According to behaviorists, language learning occurs through A. maturation, B. habit formation, C. discovery learning, D. social interaction. Answer is B. That is habit formation. B.F. Skinner's behaviorist theory says learning happens by imitation and reinforcement. Question number 13. According to Vygotsky, language develops primarily through A. Biological maturation, B. Social interaction, C. Habit formation, D. Trial and error. Vygotsky thinks that language develops through social interaction. So answer is B. He believed that language and thought develop together through social interaction. Question number 14. In linguistics, code switching means A. Changing writing style, B. Mixing two languages in communication, C. Speaking very fast, D. Using complex grammar. Answer is B. Mixing two languages in communication. Code switching is alternating between languages or dialects in conversation. For example, Hindi and English mix as we talk. Question number 15. A dialect is A. Completely different from language. B. A regional variety of a language. C. Incorrect speech. D. Formal style. So it is B. That is a regional variety of language. A dialect is a regional or social variation of language with distinct pronunciation and vocabulary. Question number 16. Mother tongue interference occurs when A. Students forget their first language. B. Native language influences learning of another language. C. Learners use only one language. D. Teachers uses bilingual method. Answer is B. That is, the native language influences learning of other language. Native language generally affects pronunciation or grammar in second language learning. Question number 17. Bilingualism means A. Learning many languages, B. Knowing two languages, C. Translation practice, D. Forgetting one language. B is knowing two languages. Bilingualism is ability to use two languages fluent. Question number 18. Which of these best defines second language acquisition? A. Learning another language after the mother tongue. B. Forgetting the first language. C. Learning sign language. D. Learning local dialect. Answer is A. That is learning another language after mother tongue. Language acquisition is learning a new language after the first language. That is mother tongue. Question number 19. The main focus of linguistics in language teaching is A. Prescribing correct grammar rules, B. Describing new language works and is used, C. Memorizing vocabulary, D. Focusing only on writing. Answer is B. That is describing how language works and is used. Linguistics describe language objectively, useful for understanding grammar and communication patterns. Last question. The relationship between sound and meaning in language is A. Natural and fixed, B. Arbitrary, C. Permanent, D. Logical. Answer is B. That is arbitrary. Linguists say the connection between sound and meaning is arbitrary. For example, dog could be called anything in different languages. So that's all. Thank you.